Now that you know the basic 16 notes groove, we can play some advanced 16 notes groove in which we will add the snare drum on your E's and E's. So if I play something for an example, this is how it will sound. Let's go ahead and learn this. The first thing which we will learn is to play the snare drum on the E of 1. So you will play 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Before we begin to play, we will first say it with a metronome so we get an idea of it. I'll play it at 60 BPM as usual and then we can go ahead. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Perfect. We will do a similar thing and add an E after your 3. So you will play 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4 and. Now, if you don't know how to write 1 E and, this is how it looks like. So you have 2 16th notes followed by 1 8th note, which shows 1 E followed by an and. So 1 E and, 2 and looks like this, 3 E and 4 and looks similar. So let's go ahead, play 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and, kick on 1 and kick on 3 and to show a difference where it's starting and where it's ending. Let's go. Perfect. Now you can do a similar thing on all the grooves which we have done before, and you can play 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4 and. You can also try differentiating it by playing just 1 E and, or you can just play 3 E and you can figure it out on yourself whatever you want to do. This is just a basic introduction to your 16th notes adding an E on the snare drum. Now there is something which I would like to add. The snare drum note which I am playing on the E is known as a ghosh note, which means I am playing it slightly less louder than the normal hit. So if I am playing snare drum normally like this, I will play it on the E's like this. It shows me a difference between my prominent beats and my ghosh notes. This gives our groove a groovy effect, which doesn't sound monotonous. So let's try it out by playing it on the different grooves which we have learned. I'll start with 80 BPM right now.